Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this lecture I am going to talk about civil drafting. Civil drafting which is the first chapter of basic civil engineering drawing. Civil 143. First of all we read introduction of the chapter civil drafting. Drafting is an art through which ideas and imaginations are expressed through figures rather than words. With the help of drafting, ideas can be expressed in a better way. Drafting is used to describe the shape, material, and texture of an object. No project in engineering can be completed until its drawing is ready. Making a drawings like this makes you aware of its strength and weaknesses even before you plan. And there are opportunities to fix false flaws. In addition, draft drawing is the best way to inform workers about project detail. Drawing is the international language in the language of engineering because other languages spoken in the world are spoken and understood in a specific region of the world, while the language of drawing interprets engineering in every region of the world. It is also called the language of line. Just as each word in a sentence in another language has a specific meaning, so each line in a drawing has a different meaning, free or specific meaning. Free hand sketching is done before making the original drawing. Only pencil and eraser are used to make it. Scales and compass are not used. It doesn't take much time to prepare a drawing like this. However, there is no standard for the accuracy of this drawing. If a mistake is made in drawing, there are serious consequences because, according to the faulty drawing, if work is started on the project, a lot of time, material, and money will have been wasted by the time the mistake is realized. Therefore, after preparing the drawing, it should be ex- examined thoroughly to avoid damage. Next topic is scope of civil drafting. Civil drafting refers to the expression of civil engineering projects through drawing before starting civil engineering projects. Their drawings are prepared and then its strengths and weakness are considered. Then its flaws are removed and the material used in the project is selected. Final approval of the drawing is obtained from the competent officer and then the real plan is launched. Without mastering the subject of civil drafting, other subjects like quantity survey, MOS, and so on, building construction, etc., can't be read properly as drawing is also used in these subjects. Next topic is freehand sketching. Freehand sketching is a drawing that is made without measuring instruments. This drawing uses pencil and eraser. This is the drawing before making any kind of drawing is made. Before, because it takes less time to make after preparing this type of drawing. Consideration is given and if necessary. Necessary changes are made in the drawing and then the original drawings is prepared. In freehand sketching, instrument for freehand sketching, number one is soft lead pencil, number two is razor, number three is sharpener, and four and last drawing sheet and last graph sheet. Importance of freehand sketching. Freehand sketching is very important in practical work as the draftsman must prepare drawings of every part and other parts of the machine and have them checked by engineer. After making a complete drawing, you must spend a lot of time surfing on the changes that have to be made by checking since it is it takes less time to make this drawing you must rely on this drawing initially. Principle of freehand sketching. Number one is the object is carefully observed and its motives and actions are examined. Second is the more detailed sides is selected to create the scene. Space is allocated on the drawing sheet according to the size of the scenes or object elevation. First, all the lines are uh, lightened so that the uh, redundant lines can be easy, easily raised. Number four, and scale card are not used in drawing, but the pro- proportion of the different parts of the object are considered. First, horizontal lines are drawn, then vertical lines are drawn, and finally arc and circles are drawn. After completing the drawing, clear measurements are written in an appropriate manners. Chapter end. Thank you so much.